whenever we embark on a new experience, we like nothing better than following our senses and discovering unexpected pleasures. You can't beat the thrill of arriving at a crossroads and deciding to turn left here. A 12-hour flight from Toronto to Tokyo. Exhausting but exciting to arrive for our first time in Japan. After resting up, our first stop, exploring the Nihonbashi neighbourhood. Nihonbashi is located east of Tokyo Station on the Sumida River. This morning, it's a quiet neighbourhood of quaint back streets. But as the morning wears on, it comes alive. We decide to check out a nearby popular shrine. There are numerous Shinto shrines and Buddhist temples in every neighborhood in Japan. Suitengu is a Shinto shrine dedicated to fertility and childbirth. Young families and expectant mothers are frequent visitors. The statue of a mother dog nurturing a robust puppy is revered here. The main street is always busy and has some great stores and galleries. Since 1891, Ozeki and Company has sold paper lanterns, Akari, made in Gifu Prefecture. The gallery represents an extensive collection of sculptor Isamu Noguchi's Akari. We're hoping to take one back home with us. Sadly, they are out of stock on the ones we like. Our next discovery takes us along an ancient canal. The canal is sheltered under layers of modern roadways that conceal centuries-old bridges. This is Edobashi Bridge. This canal bridge was originally built in the 1600s. And like the nearby Nihonbashi Bridge, has been rebuilt many times over the centuries. This steel version was built in 1927 after the Great Kanto earthquake. At the nearby Yoroibashi Bridge, a sculpture garden, and a small shrine with a Jizu statue to protect the souls of travelers and those who passed away before completing their pilgrimage in life. The canal is no longer a vital transportation artery. Tokyo's traffic is in layers now, from elevated roads to bridges of all types, to underground expressways. and lots of room for bicycles and pedestrians. In the evening, we visit Asakusa neighborhood, 4 kilometers north up the Sumida River. By day, the area is a bustling market. But by night, it comes alive with light. The lanterns at Hozomon Gate of Senso-ji Temple invite us in. Senso-ji is the oldest Buddhist temple in Tokyo and is devoted to Kannon, Avalokitesvara Bodhisattva, who represents the mercy of all Buddhas. 30 million worshippers visit each year to renew their faith and receive blessings of good wishes. Ours promised the blessing of healing, heaven, fame, good marriage, and that traveling would be good for us. Sensoji's history dates to a discovery in the year 628 of a small statue of Kannon found in the Sumida River. Since 645, the statue has remained sealed in the main temple, unseen by everyone, including the head priests. Those who come to pray chant Namu Kanzeon Bosatsu, or I place my trust in Bodhisattva Kannon. Up next on Turn Left Here, Sky Tree. Great museums. Ginza Bar Rocky Top featuring bluegrass band Blue and Green. The Oedo Antique Market. And a picnic at the Imperial Palace. If you like this video, be sure to give us a thumbs up and subscribe below. Thanks for watching and see you next time.